Today I want to set the record straight on Italian wedding soup. It has nothing to do with a wedding. Shocking, I know. It's actually called wedding soup because of how well the flavors come together. Between the little meatballs, Italian greens, and the rich broth, it's the perfect marriage of flavors and textures. And since this classic dish is so popular during the holidays, we figured it was the ideal time to share our updated version that's made in a slow cooker. We begin by combining chicken broth with a package of frozen cocktail meatballs. This is a whole lot easier than making them from scratch. Now we cover our slow cooker and we set it to low so the meatballs can simmer in the broth. After a bit, we stir in some beaten eggs. You'll notice that the eggs create thin strands of yummy goodness. Next, we stir in some hearty Italian greens like escarole and a good amount of grated Parmesan cheese. See, I told you it was easy. The longer you let it simmer, the richer the flavor becomes. Serve bowls of this warm-me-up soup for the holidays or all winter long. Either way, you can't miss. To get the recipe for what we call Mama Marie's wedding soup, all you need to do is check it out online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a blissfully cozy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.